Before we start, I would like you to hit that red subscribe button so that you never miss out on any of our videos. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Trendy Gadgets. You don't have to open the Shortcuts app to run your favorite iOS shortcuts every time. Here we'll discuss quicker ways to do so. With iOS shortcuts, you can get your iPhone to complete certain tasks quickly and automatically. You don't need to download an additional app and use precious storage space because a shortcut can do the job. Most of us probably launch a shortcut by tapping on it in the Shortcuts app, but did you know there are other convenient ways to run a shortcut without having to open the Shortcut app every time? Here we look at all the different ways you can run a shortcut on your iPhone. 1. Launch the shortcut from your home screen. Your iPhone's home screen is not just for apps. You can add a shortcut to your home screen too. To do so, go to Shortcuts and tap on the ellipsis icon of your preferred shortcut. Then tap the information icon at the bottom and tap Add to Home Screen. The next page lets you customize the shortcuts display icon and name on your home screen. This customization won't change the shortcut's original appearance in the Shortcuts app. Once you're satisfied, tap Add. The shortcut will now be displayed on your home screen. 2. Turn your shortcuts into widgets. If the usual app icons aren't your thing, another method is to add your shortcut as a widget on your home screen or to the Today View section. First, long press any empty space on your home screen or Today View. Then tap the Add Plus icon. In the search field, find and select Shortcuts. Swipe to the widget type you prefer. You can choose to add one single shortcut, a 4-shortcut folder, or an 8-shortcut one. Once you're done selecting the widget size, tap Add Widget. 3. Access your shortcut from the share sheet. Customizing your iPhone share sheet is a great way to make frequently used actions even more accessible. Besides Today View and home screen, you can also add a shortcut to your share sheet. In Shortcuts, tap your Shortcuts ellipsis icon and then tap the information icon at the bottom of the screen. Now toggle on Show in Share Sheet. Number 4. Use search to find your shortcut. If you don't want to clutter your phone with more bookmarks and icons, an easy way to access your handy iPhone shortcut is to use Spotlight Search. The convenience of this method is that you can access your shortcut without having to exit an opened app. However, this excludes games that lock your iPhone in landscape orientation. If you're in the home screen, swipe down on the center of your screen and type the shortcut name into the search field to find it. If you're using another app, swipe down from the top of your screen to access the lock screen, then swipe down in the center to access search. 5. Launch your shortcut with Backtap. Backtap, as its name suggests, allows you to tap the back of your iPhone to trigger an action. It's a cool iPhone gesture that can be used for many different iPhone functions. To enable Backtap for an iOS shortcut, go to Settings, Accessibility, Touch, Backtap, choose either Double Tap or Triple Tap, then scroll to the bottom to select your shortcut. 6. Ask Siri to run your shortcut. The last method to use Siri, but you'll need to set up Siri on your iPhone if you haven't already. To run the shortcut, say Hey Siri and mention the shortcut's name. The Siri method is helpful if you need to launch a shortcut without holding your iPhone. For example, when you're taking photos remotely on your iPhone with a Say Cheese shortcut. Run shortcuts differently to save even more time. Adding a shortcut to your home screen or as a widget is suitable if you just have 1 or 2 shortcuts you frequently use. Search is useful if you don't want to have another app running in your iPhone's background. Backtap and Siri are the most time-saving ones because you won't have to navigate your iPhone screen at all. By using the above methods to run shortcuts, you can make the most of the Shortcuts app and the efficiency it offers. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.